so. Yeah. So how to create the function? Tell me. So first we have to think how to create function. So we have to write function keyword. Correct? First is this one.
Correct,
Once
sir.
it is cleared, next we have to write function name. So what function name? Suppose that a school record. Go with proper naming convention. Everything. Don't think that this is for practice. So we are writing A, B, C, anything. No. You have to write everything properly. Okay. So with first we had thought that function. Okay. After that function name. Next, after function name, what will be required? If you're writing function name, parenthesis should be there. Correct? After this, curly
Yes, sir.
braces will be open and close. Correct? So curly braces. After this curly braces, you have to write the all the logics. Correct or not? So suppose you have to write x plus y. During a starting, what we will do? We will write x equal to 5. Suppose we had written like this way. Then we had written y equal to 6. And next z equal to what we will do? 5 plus 6. Suppose that be written like this way also. 5 plus 6. Got it? Now, next for the output purpose, what we will write? We will write suppose that console.log. I writing shortcut. Then what output will come here? Here it will come z. Correct. How this will come? Now you had written the function. So this function will execute only if we calling the function. And how to call the function? With the help of function name. Correct or not? So pass that anywhere. Clear? So this way we had written the structure. Now try to find out the mistake. Where is the wrong in this function? Okay. Suppose we had written variable. So variable declaration should be everybody tell today I had seen for late. Everybody was telling this is variable. Is this a late variable?
No.
Is late
Data type.
not data type, not variable. This is variable declaration. Okay.
Okay.
Keep this thing in mind. What is a data type? I will explain today class. What is variable? X is the variable. Correct or not? X is the variable. And late is the keyword. You can tell like variable declaration. Okay. So each line means with each variable, we have to pass the variable declaration. So now onwards, don't tell late as a variable. Keep in mind, if you have paper pen, you can note down this. Late is the variable declaration. Means you can tell variable declaration type, but not variable type. Then again, we have to pass this late here. Why? Because these all are variable. So we will not left any variable open. Means without any variable type, declaration type. So what we had done, we had provided that what type of variable this is. So late, const, or where, anything, whatever you're thinking. Now tell me, any mistake in this line up to here? Please just speak, then you will get the idea who all have issue. Any mistake in this line? Can you reduce this line of code? How to reduce? Means you can make simple. How to make simple? Now see Z. What is value written there? Z equal to 5 plus 6. If you written here 5 plus 6, it will give you 11. Then what is the need of this both line? Is there any need?
No, sir.
No need, because we had not used that value. So what we will do? Abhishek, what we will do? Samsad, what we will do here?
That we can write
X plus Y.
So we will replace that with the help of variable, because x, what value having x? X having 5. Previously we had written here 5. We had replaced that with the help of x. Now for 6, we going to replace y. Clear? Now whatever value x and y have, it will automatically calculate. Whether you taking 5, 6, anything, it will calculate. How this will calculate? With the help of this function call. Up to here, clear? This is the function. That's it. Next, if you want some parameter, suppose that you not want this as a 6, you not want this as a 5. Okay, you want something. whether a string, number, anything. What we will do? We will pass that parameter. So next, another thing, parameter and argument. Okay. So here, if you passing here, it will come as a param1. Okay, means a parameter 1, comma, how much parameter you want, you can pass with the help of comma separated. Okay, so this will be considered as a parameter, not the argument. Name will be not the matter much more, but you can know that, that's the thing. This will be one parameter, then second will be param2. Maybe I have confusion whether this one is parameter or that one. I think this one itself parameter. So param1, this one is parameter.
This argument now.
Yes, sir. This one is parameter. First one is
Yeah,
No, sir, it's parameter. Last one is in the argument.
this one
No,
is
sir.
argument.
This one is
No,
parameter.
sir, this one is the parameter.
Yeah.
First
So this one is
Then
this. Yeah, this one is the parameter. Here we passed param1, param2. So whatever param you passed here means parameter, same will be received on the here. So how you will receive? So for receiving also you have to pass something there. So it will be like argument 1. We are writing just a name is, you can write name same also. That's not the issue. PARAM param1, comma param2. This way also you can write, means whatever param1 value will be, it will pass here. Then param2, it will come there. Order is the matter. If you writing two value here, param1, param2, it will receive that param1 in the first, param2 in the second. Name is not the matter. Order is the matter. Now if I changing this one and passing here, now tell me whether param2 having what value? Param1, because that you can tell that that position, correct? So that is the value. So what we will do here, this will be actual value actually. Okay, means a real value. So what is real value? We want to addition. So be passing 5, comma 6. We want the addition of two numbers. So I passed 5 and 6. Now tell what is the param2 value? 5 or 6?
six.
6?
5, sir.
No,
5.
no, sir, 5.
5, because position. So first position means the first one, second position, second one. So this is not param, this is argument. Means name like argument you can tell. So this is argument 1. Okay. And then this is argument 2. So anybody will tell you this is double argument function. Correct. And here you can pass that a two-way argument. Whatever argument is there, you can pass that parameter here. So here you can write parameter and their argument. Now, no need to write like this way. You can pass like variable. Means this because who is the real value? Who have real value? Function call have real value. This is function call, and function call having the real value. Correct. And but this is act like a local variable. Local variable in the sense a scope is only up to there. So in the place of argument 1 means we can write like value 1, correct? And we can pass like value 2. Then if you want another, like then you can pass value 3, like this way you can. Got it? Now we not want this one. Then what is the value of value 1? Value 1 will be 5, correct? And value 2 will be 6. So what we want? We want value 1 to x. So replace this one, value 1. And we want y having value 2. So now see what we had done, the logic, whatever we had written, that is as usual. But see this, here we had passed something, here we had passed something, it's working. Got it? So this is the thing. This way we have to write our code. Got it? Let's check whether it is correct or not. So see, open the console, inspect, and write code there. Maybe some error due to that naming convention. Maybe I have not idea, but I not thinking that it will come error. Now see, we had defined the function. Yeah. Why this error Okay, so we had defined this function, everything. Now you have to pass the value. So function call is required. So do that. Oh my God, that console log is there wrong. Yeah, okay, wait. Con console dot log. Fine. Yeah. And now function call. So I passed this function call. Let's see whether we getting a issue. We got the output 11. Okay, so from where we passing? We passing from this one. So what is the main thing? Main thing you have to take care what you are passing.
सर
Suppose
ये कोई
now
पूछ
be,
रहा है,
yeah,
डाउट है इसमें कुछ। ये
yeah, tell.
आप फंक्शन कॉल जो दिए हैं, फंक्शन
Please
कॉल
just
ये
speak in English. Please just speak in English so others will get.
ओके, you are putting here close after close parenthesis after you putting means yeah school record
Yeah,
open bracket 5, 6 this
yeah,
function call.
correct.
Yeah, can I put a function call here after the let x is equal to value in upper side?
Let x equal to value in upper side in the sense you telling here,
Yeah,
and this you not want.
yeah.
Who is calling this function? How it will enter inside this function? First, this question. If anybody not calling you for any type of function, suppose marriage function or anything is there, and if anybody had not called you, will you enter inside that
No.
marriage hall or that anything? So this function, anybody had called this first. What you had done,
Oh.
the member who is inside the calling means the member who is for the invitation, means who have the work of invitation, you had kept inside some room. Okay, you had locked him. Now tell me who will call the remaining member. The same thing you had done. You had kept this inside some lock because the scope you had locked. Now, if somebody is not there for calling purpose, then how they will call? Got it?
Yes,
But
yes.
suppose you creating another function, okay, any other function, you can call that. That become nested function. Means function inside function. Like
Yes.
suppose this is a school record. Remove this and pass student, a student record. Now if you student record, now we can call this function if we want, pass here, not an issue. Okay, and whatever value argument this thing you can pass there direct, no issue. Got it?
Yeah.
Because now this function, with the help of this function will get called. And how this function will get called? So bottom, 1 second. In bottom, there on function call is there. So please go up to, means go properly, then only you will get the concept. Otherwise, you will not get. If I will give 5 time marks also, it will be nothing. Okay, so let's move to our topic. Otherwise, we will move in the function itself daily. Okay, so what we have to do, everyone have to create the project. Okay, then only we can start working on the project side. What I will do one thing. I will keep the project. Okay, 1 second. You can do git pull. You will get the project directly automatic. No need of creation and those. I will do later. Okay, you can do that, but it will not work because I will not copy the node modules. Whenever you sharing the project, don't copy this node modules. Copy only src, means remaining all file you can copy, but don't copy this node modules because the project size will be approx 500 due to node modules. But if you will copy this src, project size will be like 1 MB. Means just imagine 500 MB and 1 MB like that. So we have to copy that complete project except node module. Go in File Explorer. So open this Angular project, copy this completely except node modules. Fine. And copy this complete, and I going to pass in every repository. Where is repository? So full repository is this one. Yeah, asks here. So full repository, fine. Then go to Dharmendra repository. So see, in all project, node modules is not there. So you have to install the node modules. Got it? So how we will install node modules? I showing you. So every time, whether you working outside, inside company, every time you will get like this itself. Okay, nobody will give you node modules because node modules size is too much. That is the reason. So how you will get that? If I will run the command, then also you will not get, because we are stopping that in the git side. Don't go that. I showing you the command. Where is that one? Git ignore. Okay, inside Angular project that is. So what you have to do? So see, we have to open this repository in integrator terminal. If you want, you can note down the command, and you have to run only one command, that is npm install. That's it. Got it? Press this command. Automatic the node modules folder will come here. You can look. Just wait. So see, it get started, and you will get that node modules file directly there in the full. Okay. Refresh that. Let's see. It not came. It will come. Just wait. Got it? So what? Yeah. See, now node modules came. Clear? So this way you have to install the node modules in your project for all member. Just you can take a git pull, you will get this file. But for node module, see this node modules is not there. But if we will look over other, Dharmender team is there. So see, where is the node modules? Node modules is not there. So you have to install the node modules for this project. Okay. So everyone will do node means npm install in your project. You will get the node modules. Clear? Had you written the command npm install? So today we going to learn one new topic in the Angular side. Wait, let me open my Angular project. Had you written the command? Please let me know. If not, then please
Yes.
tell. Yeah, fine. So today we're going to learn one more topic in the Angular part. So what is that? Yesterday, previously, we had seen how to create the component, and what component was doing. With the help of component, we was creating our page. Like we had created a home, then gallery, like that type. So everyone will not create the component. What you will do, you will create separate. But if you created one component, other will not create the same component. Otherwise, it will collapse. Means your team, other member will do, but in your team, suppose Dharmender team is there, he created a home component. So don't create the same component in your team. Other team will create whatever they want, but you have to do like that. Okay. So next, what we going to, where is the Angular project? So let me tell how to open that Angular project. Now I am inside the Angular project. After this, please just speak fast. Don't waste time.
Then
Also
right
going
click
to
on Angular project.
Yeah, Angular project. Next,
Right
SRC.
click.
SRC. Next,
app.
app. Then see, already we had done that day something. Home is there, fine. Then component is there. Sorry,
some folder,
home.
sir.
Yeah, so home folder and gallery folder, two folder is there. Inside this folder, you can see that gallery.component.ts, gallery.component.spec.ts, gallery.component.html, gallery.component.css. So in HTML, suppose you have to create a home file, means home, gallery, contact. How you are doing?
टीसीएस सपोर्ट टीम से कोई है क्या?
Then in the
सोमोजीत है ना? एक बार लॉगिन
Amardeep.
हेलो
म्यूट हो गया है। हाँ अमरदीप,
करे थोड़ा ना मीटिंग में शायद तो ध्यान नहीं दे पा रहे हैं।
ठीक है, कोई दिक्कत नहीं। आप पहले उधर ध्यान दीजिए, इधर हम लोग देख लेंगे।
ठीक।
ओके श्वेता है, और ये टीसीएस का गाय, और बाकी लोग सपोर्ट कर दीजिए अमरदीप को। ये लोग शांति से बैठे रहते हैं। श्वेता, व्हाई नॉट यू सपोर्टिंग अमरदीप? She will tell I not get onboarded. Why I will support? Okay. So see, we had created that. If you have to create HTML file, suppose that home gallery, then how you by doing?
In the terminal.
Just
Can,
HTML file. We by doing in terminal.
no, sir. No,
Then
sir.
where?
Click on the home.
1 second. Why it gone? So we was just clicking on any file, correct? And we
Yes,
was
sir.
right clicking and we were doing one new file. That's it, correct? Suppose
Yes, sir.
you have to create, you was creating here, like suppose home. So home.html, correct or not? We by doing like this way. But in
Yes,
case of
sir.
Angular, then React, we will not do like this. Okay, everyone have different property, and by that procedure we can create in Angular the component. We will create the component in the sense our page, HTML page, like index.html, gallery.html, like that. We are creating this page. So with the help of this, we will write our code in this section. Like HTML is there, we will write here HTML. See, this paragraph tag is written there. Okay, then here we will write the CSS. Fine. There is one thing, wait, there is one term, app module.ts. So what is this app module? You can note down. App module actually basically it going to combine. What it will combine? It will combine our all component. Component means what? Component means page.
HTML, CSS.
You can tell that
Sir,
a page.
HTML,
That's it.
CSS like.
Yeah, you can tell that it is a page like. Okay, so component means a page. So what app module will do, it will combine that all page, it will group, and different many things are there, it will group, but now we know only component, so it grouping component. So let's see, whatever component you have created, sure those names are available here. Is it available? We had created home and gallery, two things previously. So here home component is there, gallery component. So this all will be available in our section. Got it? So that is the thing. So with the help of module, what it will do, it will take the first priority and it will contain all the component and different routing module, different things are there. So next question, we can create our module or not? So we can create our module also. Suppose you want grouping your section only. This is by default. Okay. See, what is the benefit in Angular? If you doing anything, you not have to do this. Had you done this one, had we done that day, nothing.
Yeah.
It had auto complete. Okay. Once you created this page, home component, it auto added here. We're not going to do anything. Okay. So whenever you creating any component, it will start here. It will auto means add. Okay. That you can tell. So
Sir,
I
I'm
will,
not understanding
okay.
module concept.
Don't worry. Module means how to create a home, sir. Already, please teach me. Already we had seen that how to create a
Yes, sir.
component. If we will go again, then function taken half an hour. Component will take again time. I will tell later. Don't worry. So module means, just keep in mind for now. Module means a grouping all the things. That's it. Wait, I open the paint. Just 1 second. Then you will get some idea. If you have to make some page, what you was doing? How you will make it? What is selected? Yeah. So we are writing index.html.
Dot
Correct.
HTML. Yes, sir.
Then we are writing, suppose we have to create a home.html. We are writing
HTML.
like this. Then
Yes, sir.
gallery, gallery gallery.html, like this way. Fine. So who going to group this all? Nobody. But if you have to do navigation bar, then with the help of navigation bar, you can group this all or not.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Here you will create a home, then here you will create a gallery, then here you will create a contact. Like this way you can group. Means once you, oh my god, this home, gallery, contact. Okay, this way. If you have to write this, you will make the separate page for this, correct? But in Angular, what is happening? In Angular, we have to group that, means whatever page we are creating. So what page we are creating now? Home and gallery. Okay, so these all are not page, these all are known as what? Component.
Yes, Angular component.
Got it? So these all are known as component. How we will group this component? So we will group that component with the app module. Okay, so where the app module?
Inside Angular. Inside.
Yeah, so here in the case of Angular component, we will write a home gallery. That's fine. But now we have to group this. So something on the top of this one. So who is on the top? On the top, a module.
App module.
Yeah. So by default, we have app.module.
Module.
So that I showing you the structure. So on the top, that app.module module, and it will contain all component. Got it? This is the structure. For right now, I will tell you later something more. But who is in the parent? You can tell parent as a app module, and inside app module, all component will be the part. Same thing is going there. See, this is our app module file. Correct? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So
Now
component or
Yeah, Abhishek.
yes, sir. Component or page. App modules is combined all the page or component.
App module going to combine all the component, and component itself is known as page. You can tell
Okay, sir.
it is a page. Like we had created, what we had created now means we have home, comma, gallery. Got it?
Okay, sir.
This two we have already. Got it? So app module is on the top, then it will take the reference. You can tell that it taking the reference of this one, both. So let's see in our project. So this is app module. App module is the top, it holding the reference of this one, home component and gallery component. So whatever you will write in this home component and gallery component, that will be available on UI because due to this reference. Got it? What app
Yes,
module
sir.
is doing means what mod, and one thing in module, as like in component, we have HTML, CSS file, correct? We have HTML file, we have CSS file. In the home component, we have CSS file, we have HTML file. Fine. Go in the app module. App module is only module file. He have no any app module.html. Is that written anywhere? See this app.component.css means a dot component is there. App.component.html, app.component.spec, something is there. Let it to be. But app.module.ts is any file name app.module.html?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Dot
No, sir.
module.html or
No,
CSS.
sir.
No file is there means
No.
now it's clear whatever code we have to write in case of HTML and CSS. So where we will write in app module or app
In
component.
app.module.
In app.module. Module have HTML or CSS?
Yeah. No, sir. No, sir.
No. So if
Sir.
HTML and CSS, so we will write those things in component section. Got it? Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So where we will write? We will write in the component. That's why we had created this component. See this 4 file. We had created the component. Fine. And we had created here that module. Got it? But what we want? We also want to create our module. How we will create? So just see the command. So Samsad, see, I going to create one component. Just take care. So how we will create the component? Please tell me. So see, node modules got created. We got that message success. That's fine. It will close this. It will work. Okay. So yeah. So how to create the module? Means component. How to open the
Sir,
terminal?
Sir, first right click on the Angular.
Angular
Click
project.
click open in integrated terminal.
Okay. So we will get up to
We
here.
can,
Clear?
yes, sir, inside that
And
we can write
we have to write one command. What was the command for the
ng
component case?
space ng space g
The class note and folder. So see, in this class note, everything is written. If you have access, you can check that. How to create component. Here we have written. ng. No, we have not written here. Okay. So for component, COMPO in ENT. For component, what is the command? ng
sir, and space g
g c
space
for
c
component and
then
component name.
name.
Correct? So this one we have to write. So same thing for module. Tell me, if you got any reference, tell me where we will replace. Any idea? ng, fine. ng means Angular. ng refer to Angular. Take care this thing. Okay. ng is there. G for generate. Correct. What is
C
C?
for
C for
component
means
component.
okay. So what we want now? We want module. Replace this with M. M for module. And what is this one?
Module
Component.
name.
Module name. Got it? So this is the command for component. So let's run the same thing. So ng, but wait, where you want our component? Now I want component inside each folder. Each folder in the sense our component. What component? Sorry, what module by doing? Module by on the parent level. Correct. Module by parent level, and it containing
Yes,
all
sir.
children. It containing all children. So component become the children. So what I want each have their separate parent, like that type. Okay. So what we will do? We will open here and we will open the integrated terminal on this component. So first we have to create component and then we have to create the first we have to create a module because the module in the top and then component like that. Let it to be not an issue. ng, g for generate, m for module, and we have to give module name. What I want module name as gallery. What is the use of this? We will tell you later also. You will get benefit. But
It
now
can also
just
combine na.
yeah that itself whatever. But now
Yes,
why
sir.
we are creating separate? That we will learn later.
Okay, sir.
Why what is the need of means generating separate? Already app module is there. Then what is the need of generating separate module? Because by default app module is there. But
Yes.
then also be doing that. It will take time sometime. So this way actually we will generate module. It will take first time it's taking time. One time explain how to create gallery. Wait. The same command you will write how ng, g for generate, and c for component and gallery. Means the component name. Okay, wait. So see, we had created a gallery. Where is it gone? Yeah. So inside gallery. So what happened? Check this. We got that gallery module.ts. Check the naming convention. Gallery.module.ts. Correct? So here we have to link our component. That I will tell later. For right now, just create
Sir,
this one. That's it.
inside gallery, why another gallery is showing?
Yeah. Because what I told, first module, then component. Got it?
Okay,
Previously,
yes, sir.
yeah. Otherwise, not an issue. You can hold this and put outside. You can do that. That's not an issue. Okay. Now see, inside gallery folder, what are the things available? This much. Gallery module.ts is now available inside that itself. Got it? So let's see. So this way we can create. Don't worry this. I will do that slowly for all. Let's say see that he want one more component. So how to create component? We have to open the project. Okay. And on the project folder, open the terminal, integrated terminal. So click this and then no need to go inside. Okay. Like we had gone inside this one. No need for component. For component purpose, just be outside. Okay. Why we had gone there? Because we want inside this folder. That's why we had opened terminal in this. Otherwise, module also you can do directly outside. So see, first we will create module. So let's create ng, g for generate, m for module. And now I want to contact. Okay, contact. So see that Samsad, this way we will write that. So this is going to create your module. Press enter. And see this location, I had opened that on the Angular project folder, not inside anywhere. You will get inside app module, one contact module. Now see the contact module came. Fine. Now I want, see this, inside this module is there. Now I want component also. So what you will do? Write that component ng, do one thing. It's a
G.
but what you can do, you can write inside there itself. Means open the integrated terminal. It will be good, means then it will go inside, otherwise it will be come outside. So ng, g for generate,
G.
c
C.
for component, and what is the component name? Contact.
Contact.
Okay, we want the same name, what is module having? So contact. Let's see where it going. So see, it gone inside again, means by mistake we had gone inside. So what you will do, just take this all and put outside. We will learn that how to prevent from inside, but it's not an issue. Now delete this file. If you getting like this, just do that and move the file. Got it, everyone? Or anyone having issue? Now see, inside
Yes, sir.
contact folder, contact module is there and contact component is there. As like in app case, inside app folder, this all are related to app. Left that app routing or whatever those, just go with component and module. So app component.css, .html, then app.module.ts. So all are related to app. Got it? So next contact. Inside contact, we have all are related to contact. Clear up to here? So now what we have learned? We learn how to create a component and module. These two things. What is module? What is component? So component is like a page. You can tell like a page itself. But what is module? It going to grouping all the component. Clear? Anyone having any issue? Tell me in this thing. Remaining, we will.
Without modulo, can I create component?
Yeah, previously see this. In this, there is component. Only components are there. We
Yes,
can
yes,
create.
yes. Yeah, I got it.
But it's a not it is not compulsory. Why you putting outside? Which one outside? That is not outside. Which one I put it outside? This app module. Which one, Samsad? Who have access of this page? If anybody is missing, please let me know. I will add the name. Otherwise, you will be not part. Your
Check my
study
name.
material. second. What it telling when you create the contact. So see, we had created contact by mistake. It came outside. We have to pass actually one thing. What thing? See, I showing you. We have to write like this: ng g for generate. And suppose we had created a module and we want some that particular folder that it have to create after you copying the outside. Oh, see why we had. See, previously this contact and there one folder had generated contact folder was there, and inside this folder the file name was a contact module. Okay, put on unmute. Okay, so previously this had came like this way: contact.module.ts. But what I want this module also to be in same folder where the contact means on the same hierarchy, same level. Okay, so that's why we had taken this one and put it outside. So then this contact came where? Then contact came here, and now this all are inside one single folder. That is the main thing. Got it? Why this given error? Oh, because this removed. That is the thing. Okay, you will slowly we will learn. Don't worry. Okay, so what we had seen previously. Read the things. Oh my God! Again, this addition subtraction is there. Who have a problem in the addition and subtraction? Anyone? Who is that genius? At least. Yeah. So I will go fast. Okay. If you have problem in addition subtraction, please just stop me. So here we going to take the value and we by doing that assignment operator. Assignment operator in the sense x equal to 5, y equal to 2, then z equal to x plus y. Then we was assigning. No issue. Equal to is the main thing that is assignment operator. Already we had discussed. Any issue? Then addition. What you will do? X plus y. That's it. Multiplication. We will pass the symbol. Multiplication. We had seen already. Now arithmetic operator. We had seen plus plus minus minus. These all we had covered. Just one time I revising that one. Recap. Here. This one. What is this? Assignment operator. So had you seen this thing? Any dot in this one? Let me know. Any issue in this one? Nobody telling means no doubt. Okay. Next, in the case of assignment operator, okay, this fine. I had given one task. What task? For the form data, I had told to write the output in single line. Had anybody written? Everybody was writing the output in multiple line when it was looking on the console. Correct. So who all had done the task? First tell me. Wait. Approach, had you done the task? Vivekanand, down your hand. And Abhishek, please down your hand. Otherwise, tomorrow you will tell me I have pain. Abhishek, sorry, Afroj, had you done the form task? Please speak fast. Oh my God, this much I will not wait. Shivani. Shivani
Yes, sir.
Kumari.
Yes.
Had you done the task?
Yes, sir.
Form data. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Abhishek, had you done? Deep, okay. Lalan, had you done? Praful.
Yes, sir.
Done.
Yes, sir.
Samsad, had you done? Form data. Lalan, had you done?
I did not do
Shivani
it.
Sinha. What?
नहीं सर हम कुछ भी नहीं किए सॉरी सर
Okay. Sweta, had you done?
Yes, sir. Some modification is.
Okay. So who all had not done task? If tomorrow they will ask any doubt, I'm not going to explain. You can write this thing in paper and pen. Afroz had not told anything.
सर तबीयत खराब था इस वजह से
तबीयत खराब था या सर्दी था या सर दर्द वो नहीं जानते हैं। ये जावा स्क्रिप्ट है, जावा स्क्रिप्ट नहीं समझेगा क्लाइमेट को, ठीक है, ये अपना लैंग्वेज जानता है, इसे हम भी नहीं समझा सकते हैं कि फंक्शन में इशू हमें आ रहा है। ओके, नेक्स्ट जावा स्क्रिप्ट स्ट्रिंग ऑपरेटर। व्हाट वी बाय डूइंग विद द स्ट्रिंग ऑपरेटर? Okay, do one thing. Who had done the task? Share the code in the chat. One person. I want the code. I will do some operation. Otherwise, I have to write that code. So, meanwhile, I will go. So, a string operator. What it was doing? Please just speak fast. What a string operator we was doing? Concatenation.
यस सर
Correct?
concatenation
So, with the help of this, we was doing concatenation, and we was had anybody sent that code? Anyone just send me. So with the help of assignment operator, we was adding that value. Okay, and see text one going to add what value? This value itself, and this itself become the variable. We had seen yesterday. If x plus equal to y, if we retain x plus equal to y, then how the value will come? In the task time, nobody had spoken it.
सर अभी तक कोई भी कोड शेयर नहीं किया
वो लग रहा है क्लास कैंसिल होगा, बहुत दिन हो गया है। तो अगर सैटरडे संडे का क्लास कैंसिल, मतलब आप
झूठ बोले
Praful had shared the code. What about others? Nobody. One dot HTML. One dot JS. Okay, Praful shared the code. Let me copy that code. My God, this much lengthy code. How much line you written? This is JavaScript. Yeah, Praful. So I will add that. This is H1. Oh, I written mistake. If you will, by mistake, if you had written somewhere, automatic the color of editor will give you suggestion that you are mistake. Cut this code, add HTML. Have to take food. One.js. Fine. Execute this. Live server. Praful, where is CSS?
Sir, in button.
This is the CSS.
No, only color can put. Nothing can do this.
Why?
Sir, only can. Sir,
Okay, no issue. At least you had shared the code. Thank you. Remaining all guys had told that I completed, but nobody shared the code. Okay, data gone there. Oh, means after that you changing that color. Okay, so that one you shown here the output data. Why that text is not coming? Like your name, then date of birth, then your Gmail ID, your password. Why that information is not coming? So see what we have to do. Actually, what I had told that be written this much, okay, and be taking the value variable here, then document dot get element by ID like this completely. I want only one line, okay. I want only one line. Then okay, you taken here. Username is this one. Okay, got it. So do one thing. Cut this line. Italy. Pass here. Then this one. Cut this line. Pass inside. I want just a single line. This type. There is the curly braces missing. That you taken here. Document dot get element by ID name dot value equal to a. Okay, that in a HTML. You can do okay. You had passed 3 parameter there also. Okay. Nice. So with console. I say here all the things. Let's save. Let's see. Let's check. Where is the console? Inspect. Okay, so what we will do, first we will look data in the console, how data is coming. Submit. We got that one line. My user ID is Kausal Kumar. My password is this. My user ID is this one. Clear? What I will do, I will show you one function. With the help of that, you can temporarily save the data. Got it? Means we have no any database, but we can save the data somewhere. Okay. So where we can save? We can save the data in the browser. Go in the application tab. Got it? In application tab, open this one. There is a local storage, there is session storage. We will save the data. We can save data in both. You know, whenever you will log in banking website, okay? In banking website, after 5 minutes or 10 minutes, it will get automatic logout. Is this correct or not? In banking
Yes, sir.
website, it getting automatic. It will not give you permission more than 5 to 10 minutes. Okay. The reason behind that, maybe within 10 minutes, in 10 minutes, you can't do anything. But if you get more than time that one, you can do anything. It's like hacking this, that, whatever illegal things that you can do. That's why they using session storage. You can store data there. And if session storage will come, means if you using session storage, data will automatic. Means after 5 minutes, 10 minutes, they are canceling that one. So what we will do, we will store our data in the local storage. This much data came. This. Yeah. So see how we can store the data. So there is one method for that one, local storage. That's very simple method that is actually local storage, it's coming that one itself. Press enter. Local storage dot. You have to pass. What you have to do? You have to set the item. Set item means saving the data. So we will take this method, set item. And inside set item, we have to pass the data. When the doc type, oh, you came late. So here we passing the data. We will pass here, that is key value pair. How I can show now, let it to be. Right now, just see that. Don't worry regarding how that came. Write that complete data here. Let's save. Let's see whether we get or not. So form pass the data, then this thing, then LID. So see, we got the data in the local storage. I already saved, means this one, and see that value. My ID is Kausal Kumar, then password, then something is there. And what is written? See this bottom. This is your database. This is like a database. Now, whatever data you had written there, you can get that also. Whatever you had saved, it's like browser is giving that, means like I think 20 MB. 20 MB size is there. You can save the data in your, and you can do any operation if you want. Like you going to collect many user list, you can do that. Now, whatever data we had saved, I will get that data. So how we can get the data? So let's see. Remove this console. It's not required. But one problem. What is the problem? This much lengthy line, if we writing here and tomorrow, if you going to add one more field, that's not good. How we can write? Any idea? Anyone? We were doing same thing in the function case. Please tell anyone what we will do.
Sir, create variable
Create one
variable and giving this value.
Yeah. So we will pass one variable and we will write that. So user data. User data equal to, what is the data? Data is this one. So now no need to pass this value. Just take this user data and pass here after comma. Why be writing like that? Let it to be. We will learn that. Okay. What we are writing, but pass like this way. So main thing, who is the main? This one is the main. Local storage dot set item. Save this and let's see. Still my data is there. Okay. Let's see what is user ID. User ID is Kausal Kumar. I will change this. Now see what happened. What is the value now?
Sir,
Is that, yeah,
what is this application?
which application?
It's the
Where I
source
see,
के बगल on the top
oh,
console source application.
I thought that you telling this application. This is my Chrome browser.
I know, sir.
Okay. So see, I showing you how to open that one. Go inspect. I had told that starting time itself in browser we can do many things, but we don't know. That is the thing. That's why we're not doing anything. So in element, what we were doing? In element, what we were doing? This is DOM, correct?
DOM, sir.
We were changing a style.
Yes.
In the console, what we had done? We had done
See the
all the
output.
JavaScript work, correct?
Yes.
Means we can
Yes.
output, show the output, different operation. In the source, what we had done?
Debug
Anyone?
the code.
Debug, yeah. So we had done the debugging. Here we by
Yeah.
doing all the debugging process. You can see when you written this JavaScript code, getting that element data, please debug, check that how that working. Okay. Go in the network. It will show how speed the data is going, coming with the database. It will show that all the API. So nobody regarding this thing, we will learn that slowly. But main thing is the application. Open the application tab. Okay. Inside the application tab, whatever data you had passed, it will get saved. Okay. Means see what I had passed previous data, that is HGGHG something. My user ID is this one. My password is, where is the password? Oh, he had written some mistake, I think. In the case of my password, that date of birth is coming. Then user ID is, 1 second. My password is something like that in the code, I think, or what. My user ID is my user. Oh, this one itself is written wrong here. That is the thing. A, B, C, D. Okay, no issue. So what we have to check? We have to check how the data is coming. That is the main thing. So we getting that one clear. So next, after refreshing a page also, what you thinking? This data will be available here or not? In console.
I think yes, sir.
If we will refresh this one, data will be here in
No,
console.
sir. In console, no.
It not
Gone.
on the
No,
page.
sir.
On the page also it gone. But go in the application and check. Data is there
Yes, sir.
still. So this is like your database. Okay, means
Okay.
you can tell that, but it will be in your browser. Nobody will access this one. But we had saved this data. I want that to fetch the data, and I want to show the data on our browser itself. How I can get that data? So for getting data, just add one button first. Got it? Add one button and get data. Fine. And write one method here. Means sorry, function. Means just like get. I writing direct function call, then I will write opposite. And okay. On click, yeah. On click. Is anyone having doubt in this one?
No,
Doing a
sir.
reverse. I going reverse process. First I written function call. Now I going with the function creation. So create the function. Okay, and remove this name. Got it? Anyone having any issue? What I want that whatever data I had saved on this button click, I want to fetch that data. Got it? So how I can do? So where we had saved the data? We had saved the data in this one.
Local storage, yes.
Local storage dot set item. That was the thing. So again write the code. Local storage clear dot. See this. Be getting some method. What is the method name? Get item, remove item, set item. Which one we can take? And clear is there, key is
Item.
there. Get item. So click this get item. Get item means we can requesting something. Correct? So get item. After this, if you requesting, how you will get? You have to tell that somebody's name. Then only they will give. Correct? So by which name? The data is the like you can tell a name. We will learn this thing. Then you will get. So we will just for right now just pass this one here. Okay. So this thing they will get the data. But where will be your output? You have to tell that you have to show in console, inner HTML. Correct or not? You have to tell that you have to display somewhere. So pass this thing with the variable. Make one variable. Let user saved data equal to and pass this local storage dot get item. Correct? And write one console, whatever you want, console or anything, that's your wish. So for right now, just I going with console. Up to here, anyone having any doubt? Tell me. Had you got or not? Anyone? Any issue? We had created one function. We created one simple function, and we had written the method local storage dot get item and get. I'm sorry, means inside we had passed something. For right now, just ignore. But how that working? Just get the scenario. Like why we had assign with the variable. See, in upper also you had done same thing. See this. We had done this or not? We had assigned the variable because these all are the value. Correct? See here, you itself had done this thing because this thing is your value and you passing with the variable because you want to use this variable like console inner HTML. That's why you're doing this thing because this have the value. So same thing is happening in my case. This have value. They will take the value from somewhere. They will bring the value. Just 1 second. Got it? This side have value. I want to assign variable. Otherwise, this thing you have to write inside console. That will be lengthy. So we got this one. Save. Now, where is the button? Button is there. It's very big. Let me add some style there. Praful, make this attractive. Don't do like this. Background, red, save, padding, 20 pixel, save. We got the button. Fine. Next, open the console. Any data is there in console? No data?
No, sir.
Let's say click this get data. What happened? Data came. From where this value came? Any idea?
So,
From where the data came? I had not filled this form.
That block
I had,
there, no sir.
yeah,
I
correct.
saw in-
I had saved this data in the local storage. This is like database. The data came from here. This one. Let's say check. Now, let's say keep that user ID. What is the user ID? HGGH. Let's fill the data. I filling the data, some different user ID. And save the data first. It's saved. Now the user ID is Kausal Kumar. Now get the data. What ID is there? Had you got it? Now check the local storage. Previous data will not available there because it get overridden. See this. Now data is something. Got this? So this will be act like your local, means like you can tell database. Okay. Same thing. If you want to store inside this one session storage, you can do this. So that also simple code I showing you. So what we had written here in this line, local storage dot set item. If we want for the session storage, name is the session storage. What we will write? Anyone can help? Session. Write that session storage.
dot
Next,
dot set title.
set item. Okay.
Yes,
And after this set
Set
item,
item.
you have to pass the same thing. See this, there is no any difference. Are you getting any difference in both line? Just local storage and session storage. That's it. Now save this data. And now see, in this session storage, you getting this thing. Just wait. I had reloaded this page. Let's say clear this data first. I got cleared. Now save the data. Now the data you will get inside and do one thing. Clear this also. Now data is not available in both case. Now fill the data. And let's see where the data is coming. Now I saved the data in session storage. Had you got the data in the local storage? We not get. Check the session storage. Session storage got the data because we had saved the data in our session storage dot set item. Clear? But now you are trying to get data from the local storage. So for getting data from the session storage, what you will write? Tell me code. What we will replace? What we will replace?
local to replace session.
Session. Just replace session storage. That's it. Now you can get the data. Just wait. And see one thing I showing you. Let me copy this URL first. Close this tab. Okay. Open this tab again. Pass this value and say. Now open the console. And after the console, check the data. Is data available in the session storage? Previously, session storage data was there, correct? We had saved the data in the session storage, but now see, in session storage data is not there. Something is different data. Where is my data? My data is not available because session storage for means a particular for one session. Got it? Means for particular tab. Once you will close that tab, your data gone. But in case of local storage, it will be not. Okay. Now, if you will fill the data, then you will get the data. So let's do one thing. Click this and check whether you getting any data in the local storage in session storage. We had added that code. Click this, get data. What you getting? Null. Because there is no data. So do one thing. Fill the data. We got like this. Yeah. So fill the code. Enter data, then date of birth, then something mail ID, then something password. Click this. Now data is available in session storage. Let's check in application. Data came. Got it? Data is there. Fine. Check in the local storage. Data is there. No, data is not there. So where we will save the data, we will always try to save data in the local storage case. Okay. Now do one thing. Meanwhile, just check whether we getting here null or we getting data. Let's go check. Get data. We got the data because data is coming from the session storage. But once you will close the tag and once you will try, you will not get the data. After closing this, do one thing. Save data in both cases, local storage also and session storage also. Let's say, but you have to change this variable name, then only it will be work. Session data, write data, then console.log. Why it will not work? Can anyone tell? Same value, same variable name. Why it will not work?
Override.
Yeah. Yesterday we had learned. What is that one? Where that gone? Local storage. Okay. This one. User data that fine. Local storage dot set item. Session storage dot set item. It's fine. Not an issue there also. Fine. Okay. So let's see. Now the data will go in again separate. In both scenario it will be available. Let's see whether still data is there in session or not. So session having the data. Fine. Do one thing. Copy this. Cut this browser. Again open. Now data will not there. That one because one session finish. If we don't know that like a local storage means a database, we can learn this way means for the temporary purpose. We can do many things. Now see the session having no data. Pass the data. Give the data. Now data came where session storage. Go in the local storage. Local storage also having data. Both got the data. Correct? Because we had saving the data in both case. Check the console. Data is not there. Click that. We got the data 2 times. Why? Tell me. Why we got data? Yeah.
We pass it console both local storage data
Correct.
and storage data.
We are trying to fetch data from both. That's why we got the data in the both case. Do one thing. How we were checking whether data is there or not. Close this tab, make a new session and check that who have data now. Previously I had told that session storage have not. Let's say verify in the local and local and session both. So session having not data, local it's having data. Go in console. Now what will be the output? In both having data or one having data? Now
One having
So,
now who telling both?
One, sir.
one,
Somebody
sir.
telling both.
Having.
Both. Somebody telling both. Both is correct actually. Who is telling that?
No,
Who
one
telling both?
having one.
So one having data. So let's verify. One got null and one got data. Because this data coming from which one? Local storage. So whenever you're doing any task, try to put data in the local storage. So what it will do? It will keep your data permanent. It will delete only when you will delete. So how to delete the data? Go in the application. Now data is there. This one. I want to delete this. Right click there. You will get one clear. Clear this. Now data gone. Got it? So this way we can do any task, means for saving the data and this that. Okay. So we have to design one chat application.
Sir,
Okay.
that data
So
all members are using, sir.
what are you telling, Sweta?
In that data will are stored in local storage, no, sir.
Yeah, local storage.
That data all another member also using only for me also.
No,
Only.
only for you because that is in your browser.
Okay.
Got it? That is in my browser. So it will be in my, not any others. Clear? So do one thing. You have to take lunch, dinner. So take a 15-minute break. After that we can join. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Meanwhile, everybody take the dinner. That will be fine.
Okay, sir.
So we will join 8:45. Got it? 8:45 or 8:50, like that. Clear? Okay. Stop the sharing. Everyone just take the dinner.